Hey Freedom Grillers, today we have the Canik Mete MC9. We're going to take a look at all the Holosuns that install on this as well as their ability to co-witness. And by co-witness, just in case you don't know what I mean, I'm talking about when an optic is installed on the slide, how much of the front iron sight you're able to see through the optic. That way, in case of any optic failures, you're still able to use the iron sights to aim. And before we get started, the Mete MC9 actually has a modified RMSC footprint. So it's going to be a direct fit for the 407K, 507K, SCS carry, EPS carry, and the full-sized EPS. No plates are needed. And there's all the Holosun optics that fit the Mete MC9. When you're installing it, just use the M3, the skinny screws that come with the Holosun optics. And if you're installing the EPS full size, just note that it does overhang on the slide. It doesn't look as goofy as it does on other guns, but there's definitely a noticeable overhang. Everything in today's video can be found at freedomgorilla.com. Let us know in the comments which Holosun optic you thought looked best on the Mete MC9. And as always, thanks for watching.